Welcome back to our video fans. Today's topic is auto rotate setting in oppo phone. How to on it, guys. How to use auto rotate in this video, guys. I will show you. But before starting video, fans, I want to tell you if you're in my channel and you're watching video first time. So first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and like my videos. So guys, first of all, we will on our phone setting. Then guys, click on display and brightness, scroll it, and guys you can see auto rotate. So you want to on, so you can on. Now example for guys, you are using your YouTube and guys you want to rotate your phone, so guys it will rotate automatic. You can see friends, automatic rotate. So I think friends you have understood how to on auto rotate mode setting in oppo phone. So I think friends you have understood how to on and guys how to use auto rotate mode setting in oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.